Every night you go to bed without the right food, your muscles may be slowly vanishing while you sleep, a silent process that accelerates with age. After 60, the body can lose up to 8% of muscle every decade, and much of that loss happens overnight due to a natural fasting state. Without protein before bed, your body may break down its own muscle for nutrients, a process called catabolism, made worse by anabolic resistance, which reduces the body's ability to use protein effectively as we age. But here's the good news. Science shows that eating the right foods 30 to 60 minutes before bed can stop this breakdown and even trigger overnight muscle repair and growth. In this episode of Senior Fit, you'll discover 8 powerful science-backed bedtime foods, starting with number 8. Cottage cheese, a simple, affordable food that's surprisingly effective at preserving muscle while you sleep. Cottage cheese, yes, really, is one of the most effective nighttime muscle-preserving foods thanks to its high casein protein content, which digests slowly and releases amino acids steadily over 6 to 8 hours, making it ideal fuel during sleep. Unlike fast-digesting whey, casein works like a slow-burning candle, perfect for overnight recovery. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that adults over 60 who consumed casein before bed had a 31% increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis. Just half a cup of plain low-fat cottage cheese 30 to 60 minutes before bed can support muscle repair and even growth while you sleep. Add banana slices, a touch of honey, or chia seeds for flavor and extra nutrients without compromising its benefits. It's also rich in tryptophan, which promotes better sleep, and is gentle on the stomach, making it a great option for seniors who wake up stiff or fatigued. Next up at number 7, hard-boiled eggs, a compact, nutrient-dense powerhouse. Each egg delivers about 6 grams of high-quality, complete protein, containing all the essential amino acids your body needs to preserve lean muscle overnight. Hard-boiled eggs are a compact, powerful bedtime snack, especially valuable for adults over 60 due to their high-quality protein and rich leucine content, an amino acid that triggers muscle growth and helps counter age-related anabolic resistance. As we age, our bodies need more efficient protein to stimulate muscle repair, and eggs deliver just that, easily absorbed, easy to digest, and effective even in small amounts. A 2021 study in Nutrients showed that seniors who ate whole eggs before bed over 12 weeks had a 19% higher muscle preservation rate and increased levels of IGF-1, a key growth hormone for tissue repair. Just 1 to 2 eggs 30 minutes before bed can promote overnight recovery without spiking blood sugar or upsetting digestion. Add turmeric and black pepper to reduce inflammation and boost nutrient absorption, or pair with a slice of avocado for healthy fats that keep you fuller longer. No cooking, no cleanup, just peel and eat. For seniors aiming to maintain strength, ease soreness, or preserve independence, hard-boiled eggs are a simple, science-backed solution. Coming in at number 6, tuna and olive oil may not be a typical bedtime snack, but it's one of the most powerful muscle-protecting foods for seniors thanks to its high-quality protein and healthy fats. Tuna is rich in leucine, the amino acid that activates muscle growth, and when paired with olive oil instead of water, it becomes even more effective. Olive oil's monounsaturated fats slow digestion, allowing amino acids to stay in your bloodstream longer and fuel your muscles throughout the night. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed high-protein, omega-3 rich foods like tuna before bed had a 34% higher rate of overnight muscle protein synthesis, less morning soreness, better vitamin D absorption, and lower inflammation. To get the benefits, eat about half a can of tuna and olive oil with a few cucumber slices or whole grain crackers. Skip the mayo and heavy sauces and add lemon juice or sea salt for flavor. Tuna is also one of the richest natural sources of leucine, making it a strategic choice to combat sarcopenia or age-related muscle loss. Following tuna, food number 5 is Greek yogurt, a creamy, tangy snack that blends slow-digesting casein protein, probiotics for better digestion and nutrient absorption, and calcium for stronger muscles and bones, making it one of the most complete and satisfying ways to support overnight recovery. Greek yogurt is a powerhouse bedtime snack for seniors, combining high-quality casein protein, gut-friendly probiotics, and essential minerals like calcium, all in one thick, satisfying bowl. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is triple-strained, giving it more protein and less sugar, making it ideal for muscle recovery and overall wellness. A study in Frontiers in Nutrition showed that older adults who ate Greek yogurt before bed experienced a 26% increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis, better mitochondrial function, and more morning energy. For best results, have half a cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Skip the sugary flavored versions and add cinnamon, fresh berries, or a drop of vanilla for flavor. A teaspoon of chia seeds adds fiber and omega-3s to boost digestion. Rich in calcium to reduce cramps and support nerve signaling, and loaded with probiotics to enhance nutrient absorption and muscle metabolism. Greek yogurt is more than a muscle food. It's a full-body recovery ally. Next, food number 4, warm milk with turmeric, a soothing drink that not only helps you fall asleep, but also protects muscle, reduces inflammation, and supports deep, restorative sleep. Milk provides casein protein, calcium, tryptophan for relaxation, and vitamin D for muscle function, while turmeric adds curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory. A 2022 study in nutritional neuroscience found that older adults who drank a protein-rich beverage before bed had a 32% improvement in muscle synthesis, and those who added curcumin experienced less joint pain and inflammation. Together, warm milk and turmeric create a simple yet effective bedtime remedy for muscle repair, pain relief, and better sleep in older adults. Warm milk with turmeric is a science-backed bedtime ritual that promotes muscle recovery, reduces inflammation, and improves sleep quality, especially beneficial for adults over 60. To make it, simply warm 1 cup of milk, organic or A2 if sensitive to dairy. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, and optionally add a touch of honey for sweetness. Sip it slowly about 30 minutes before bed. If you're lactose intolerant, plant-based options like soy or pea protein fortified, almond or oat milk also work, offering muscle support and calming effects. The milk delivers slow-releasing amino acids, turmeric fights inflammation and joint pain, and the warmth relaxes the nervous system, setting the stage for deep, restorative sleep. Right after that, food number 3, almond butter, a creamy, nutrient-dense spread loaded with healthy fats, plant protein, magnesium, and vitamin E. These elements work together to support overnight muscle repair, reduce cortisol, the muscle-wasting stress hormone, and promote better sleep. In a 2020 nutrient study, older adults who consumed a small amount of almond-based fat before bed retained more nitrogen, a key muscle preservation marker, and had lower cortisol levels. To benefit, eat 1 tablespoon of natural almond butter, no added sugar or hydrogenated oils, 30 minutes before bed, either plain or on whole grain toast, apple slices, or seed crackers. Its magnesium helps relax muscles and reduce nighttime cramping or restlessness, while the healthy fats provide sustained energy and prevent blood sugar crashes that can wake you up. Perfect for those with low evening appetite or a preference for light snacks, almond butter delivers high-impact nutrition in a small, easy dose. Up next, food number 2, another powerful yet simple option for preserving strength and promoting restful sleep. Tart cherry juice is a tart, tangy, and surprisingly effective drink that helps ease muscle soreness, reduce inflammation, and improve sleep quality, making it a powerful recovery tool for adults over 60. Rich in melatonin and anthocyanins, it tackles 2 major issues: poor sleep and muscle breakdown. A 2019 study showed that older adults who drank tart cherry juice before bed experienced 33% less muscle soreness, a 15% improvement in sleep, and higher antioxidant levels. To get the benefits, drink 4 to 6 ounces of 100% unsweetened tart cherry juice about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Its anti-inflammatory effects also support joint health, reduce pain, and allow freer movement overnight, while better sleep boosts growth hormone, the key to muscle repair. Following that, food number 1, a whey protein shake. Are often thought of as a bodybuilder supplement, whey protein is actually one of the most powerful muscle-preserving tools for seniors, even without exercise. It's rich in all 9 essential amino acids, especially leucine, which switches on muscle protein synthesis. A 2021 clinical trial showed that adults over 65 who consumed 40 grams of whey protein before bed saw a 22% increase in muscle building, better strength, walking speed and balance, even without workouts. To use it right, mix 1 scoop of whey isolate with water or almond milk 30 to 60 minutes before bed. You can blend it with banana, almond butter, or cinnamon, but skip sugar and heavy ingredients. If you're lactose sensitive, use isolate or hydrolyzed whey for better digestion. Whey protein fuels recovery, boosts growth hormone and IGF-1 during deep sleep, and supports muscle even when appetite is low. To recap, Tart cherry juice helps you sleep and heal. Whey protein builds and preserves strength overnight. Together, these foods and the others we've covered form a nighttime nutrition strategy backed by science and perfect for anyone over 60 looking to maintain strength and independence. So try one tonight. One small change could lead to stronger mornings ahead.